Hi there, it's Nikki Golly. I am thrilled to offer you something that is going to revolutionize your digestive system. No, it's not just another piece of content. It is going to unlock your true well-being and get you feeling amazing. I have poured my expertise and insights into simple yet powerful strategies to revitalize your body from within and get you feeling awesome. From understanding the subtle signals of your body to nourishing yourself with the right foods. Each page delivers so many things that you can do right now. But that's not all. You are going to understand the crucial role stress plays on your digestive system and why hydration is a non-negotiable. It's a holistic approach that addresses every aspect of your well-being, from the top of your head to the bottom of your toes. Everything's included. So you're here. I know you're ready. I know you're ready to prioritize your health. So enter your name and email right here, and make it happen. Let's get you feeling happier and healthier than you've ever been.